Live from Utah's first TV station, ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
And good evening. I'm Nick McGurk. Thank you so much for joining us tonight at 10. Tonight, a warning for drivers as high winds are anticipated to really move into our area. We're going to get to that in just a minute with meteorologist Adam Carroll. But first, we go to ABC4's Nicole Newman. She joins us live in Tooele County. And Nicole, what can you tell us?
Well, Nick, we are about 12 hours away from when this wind advisory is anticipated to begin. It may be all calm now, but it could be a different story tomorrow morning. As a result, truck drivers are taking extra precautions.
This is a high-profile vehicle, and, all depending on what you loaded with, with the high winds that are coming, this here could be something that be potentially dangerous situation for the public.
Anthony Chisholm has been driving behind the wheel of a big rig for the past 25 years. For this trip,
I started out in Youngstown, Ohio, Friday, and I'm on my way to Sacramento, California.
Tonight he's making a stop in Tooele County along I-80 to get some much-needed rest. It's before hitting the road in the morning. The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 10 a.m. tomorrow until 4 a.m. on Tuesday. From the Tooele-Salt Lake County line to Wendover is expected to feel the effects. Gusts of wind that may reach up to 50 to 60 miles per hour.
My opinion is if it's that bad, just find you somewhere safely to park.
As far as other drivers sharing the road,
if anybody out there, don't hang around the trucks. If you pass one, just get on by them. Don't just hang out right there beside them because something can happen. You got these tires, they blow out, and so it's very dangerous.
Now, in addition to drivers, homeowners, you are being asked to please secure any loose outside furniture as well as your trash cans. And for boaters, these high winds are anticipated to create dangerous conditions on the water. Live in Tooele County, Nicole Newman, ABC4 News.